guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically change the elements color on Canva. So I'm just going to go to elements here, and you can change the colors on graphics. I'm not sure about stickers, but you can definitely change the colors on these items. So I search for lime and I went to graphics, and if you added these items to your canvas here, you can change the color. I'm just going to add a background color first. I'm going to change this lime color. So here you have these options and it will change the color if you change it, but for this one you have to do it one by one to see the actual difference of it. But just play around with the colors and you'll see which of the colors change on this graphic. It will change for this one as well. There's only 4, and on this one there's only 2 colors. So I'm just going to select this primary color, which is this one, and the secondary the second color to this, and as you can see it changed the color of the elements basically. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope the tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!